urban legend about Sarah is that, I don't know if your fans know this, your mom doesn't know this, she's actually in love as we speak to a man named Edward. Did you know? Sorry to be the first one to reveal this secret. Tell us about Edward.
Yung trait ni Edward, kasi di ba, faithful.
Singing for the perfect man, obviously. And he's not watching.
Big word.
So, faithful, trustworthy.
At saka ang tawag dito, talagang paglalabang ka.
So, who is Edward? Who is this perfect gentleman? Who's faithful, trustworthy, and will fight for you?
Unfortunately, sa libro lang siya.
Oh, really? It's just a character in a book?
Opo, pero one day, maka-bless tayo ni Lord na dumating yung ganun.
Isn't he here? Didn't we have him? Could we please call in? Could this be the... we might be wrong. Is this Edward? Edward, please come inside. Is that Edward?
Oh!
Edward is that him?
Pwede rin?
Edward, it's not you. Go to your room. Thank you so much. Thank you. You may be dismissed. So that's not the Edward. We're talking about the Edward from the movie Twilight.
Yes.
Right?
Yes po.
You think he's perfect? He's good looking. Yeah. He's British, isn't he? Edward.
Yung character niya po, the way na minamahal niya si Bella, di ba? Talagang si Bella lang ang love niya. Hinintay niya ng ilang taon.
Well, he's also 190 years old. He's a vampire, right? That's a long time. But to be a vampire, that sucks.
Tawa naman tayo dyan. Doctor, pasikat naman tayo.
You're an hour late. Anyway, Sarah, there's still a man out there who still is waiting for the Sarah Geronimo to break his heart. And I think that, in other words, for me, if that was up to me, there is no man who is good enough for you. That's just my personal... You've not met him yet. If you look for love, you're not going to find it. Let love find you.
Pero, Sir Martin, bakit nakaraan? Hindi, joke lang.
Kasi hindi mo pinalo sa amin. Hindi mo pinasala sa akin.
Ay, yun naman.
Kasi ang bagal mo eh. Alam mo, Eric, ikaw puro salita ka lang.
Kuya ako nito eh. Kuya.
Kuya? Well, that's really hard. Why not? I mean, you were always the guest that she always wants to have in her show.
Talaga?
Because now you sound like me.
Idol kita eh.
Woo, joke! Fish me! Eric, thank you for being here. Of course, Sarah, I know you have a very busy schedule. I know it's very, very late at night, but still, Sarah's on the job. Thank you so much for being on the show. Eric, promote something for us, please.
Yes, yung aking album, my first compilation album, the Eric Santos Collection. Ano nga yun? Timeless movie and TV theme songs under Star Records.
Wow.
Already out in the market.
Wow.
Very good. Please get a copy of that. I just want to ask Eric one more question. Who has more teleserye theme songs, you or me?
I think...
Come on, bring it on. Come on, bring it on. All I know is if there's one thing we have in common, Eric and I, we know how to seize the moment.
Yes.
Right? Eric, thank you so much. Good luck to your endeavors. Get the CD, all the theme songs you can think of, Sarah. There are no words to express how much I love you and how proud I am of everything that happens to you. You have The Voice. Invite them to join you on The Voice.
Yes, The Voice. Malapit na po. In June, abangan niyo po, of course, ang aking mga commenters, Miss Leia Salonga, Bamboo, and Apple the App. Yes. And abangan niyo po ako sa US po. Meron po kaming concert tour dyan. Starting May 25 hanggang first week of June, nandyan po kami.
All over America, Sarah Geronimo. Ako muna. Everybody wants to have a piece of Sarah Geronimo, probably because she makes you feel better about yourself. She knows the rights from the wrongs without you having to tell her. But more importantly, as Eric said, no matter how great the blessing, she knows how to bless back and still keep her feet on the ground. So, 10 years in the business and counting. This is Sarah Geronimo. This is for you.